Kevin, the 100% blind mechanic. Yes, 100% blind mechanic. If I can do this, you can do this too. You can do it. If you're working on a Ford Ranger, I'm going to say 93 to when they quit making them. If you want to do a fuel filter, go buy one first. That way you know what it looks like. But then, driver's side frame rail. And there is the tire for reference. So that's not very far past the tire. Right here, driver's side frame rail. It's going to, I'm not putting that back in there. It's going, well, I will for the video. It's going to look like that. Then you take this thing off. It's like a little retainer. You can just peel it and squeal it. It's because I guess it's supposed to lock the line to the filter. Take that off. Then you're going to take this out of the frame. Can I do it one-handed? No, I cannot. Anyways, you're going to take that out of the frame. You don't even really, you got to take it out of the frame. I don't, yeah. Anyways, take that Johnny out. Then you're going, well, you know what? Come back for the next video and I'll show you what to do next. Part 2, there's a little tiny clip at the rear of the fuel filter. It's plastic. I'll show you one. I have one in my pocket. Voila! Voila! You're gonna want to take a screwdriver and break it to pieces and then have to get it out piece by piece. No, it's not crusty and dusty. If it's not crusty and dusty, you can't get them loose. That one just so happened to be crusty and dusty, broke itself out. Had to get the rest of it out. So, oh, hold on, I'll show you the next step. Then you're gonna want to get a quick disconnect tool. They also make them in, I don't know, like chintzy plier sets. I've had better luck with these. I have a variety size, it has several different sizes on it. You're gonna want to get one of them. I'll show you what to do here. So you'll see, if you can see, you can unless you're like me. So this section of the fuel line right here, of course, is larger than the filter. You're going to take this in this orientation, collar towards the back, big ring towards the front. You're going to, I don't think this is the right size. You're going to slip that over the fuel. Oh, and I pre-lubed this with Kroil penetrating oil or lubricant. Just so it might make it a little easier. It has for me in the past. But you're going to slip it on there and then try to insert it down into the fuel line. And I'm going to turn the phone off and do this because it's going to take too high. All right, so like I said, you take your little tool, slide it in there, release the line, get the little plastic clip out, reverse to reinstall it, slide your line back on, put the clip on in the correct orientation, rinse and repeat up here in the front, slide your little metal retainer back on. New fuel pump installed. You did it, guys. You got this. You can do this. Kevin Blind Like Mechanic, 100% blind mechanic. Yes, 100% blind. Just replace the fuel filter on this 97 Ford Ranger. So if I can do it, surely you can too. Just look it up, take your time, and be confident. You can do this. You got this.